Let's make a goldenrod bath tea. Making bath tea is easy. If you can make a regular pot of tea, you can make a bath tea. Bath teas are a great way to absorb herbs through the skin. They can be helpful for reducing fevers, relieving itchy skin, or soothing sore, achy muscles. To make your bath tea, you will need dried goldenrod. I'm using about a half gallon of dried flowering tops. You'll also need a stock pot filled with water, a spoon or ladle for stirring, and a stove to heat the water on. If your herbs are finely chopped, you might want a muslin bag to place them in, or a strainer to keep the herbs out of your bathtub as you pour it. Start by placing the stock pot full of water on your stove and heat the water to just before boiling. Once the water is almost to a boil, turn off the heat and add in your dried herbs. Use your ladle to mix the herbs into the hot water and then let the mixture steep until the tea has cooled for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to remove the herbs. If they're in a muslin bag, you can take the muslin bag out of the stock pot and squeeze it to get as much liquid as possible out of the bag. Otherwise, you can also pour the tea into another stock pot through a strainer to remove the herbs. Now it's ready for your bath. Run your bath water, and when you've filled it to your desired depth, take your stock pot of tea and pour it into the bath. Your bath is ready, and now you can soak in it for 15